Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So for the IBPS PO interview 2025-26, what are the most important banking awareness topic we need to cover? I am going to give you the brief detail along with the proper list in this particular video to watch till end. My IBPS PO personalized interview batch with the complete content what I am suggesting you right now is already available in this batch. So you can join the batch for covering the proper banking awareness, current affairs. Along with that, each and every session which is dedicated for the IBPS PO interview within the batch in the form of live classes. Along with that, you can attend 2 mock interview within the batch to practice and prepare well before your interview. So first of all, you need to go through with the banking operations. What is the part of banking operation where you will get the question regarding check, update regarding KYC guideline, regarding the process of account opening, regarding what are the document required if someone want to open the bank account, what is the recent update in the bulk deposit, what is the basic difference between demand and term deposit, what is the basic difference between bank and NBFC. So if you will observe, the major topics are bank versus NBFC, you need to cover it, functions of bank, then how do banks generate profit? Banks do convert their liabilities into their assets for generation of profit. What are the assets of bank? What are the liabilities of bank? Which liabilities are more profitable? CASA deposits are more profitable, or RAFA, that is recurring account fixed deposit, they are more profitable. So assets and liabilities of bank, CASA ratio, CD ratio, KYC is a very important point. Then anti-money laundering, loan and advance, what is the difference between them? What are the examples of loan? What are the examples of advances, right? Types of loan and advances, different type of loans also you need to cover. What is bullet loan? What is teaser loan? So certain type of loan. What is bridge loan? So what is consumer durable loan? So different type of loans also you need to cover. Then fund based and non-fund based lending, what is the basic difference between that? What are the list of document required when you need to provide loan as a banker? If you are a bank PO, what are the list of document you will ask to your customer for submitting in case of providing the loan? Then after that, NPO resolution process, most important. They usually create situation based question like, you have been given a bank branch where the NPA is very high. What will be the strategy you will adopt to decrease the NPA? Why you will increase? To decrease the NPA of your branch. कि अपने branch का NPA आप कैसे decrease करोगे if you have been given a branch, right? So NPA resolution process you need to know. For that, you should have the basic idea about what is bad loan, NCLT, DRT, NCLAT, Lok Adalat, banking ombudsman. Then the general banking operation and the digital banking. That what are the major product of digital banking? So NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, USSD, UPI 123 Pay, UPI Lite, UPI Circle. All these points you need to cover. Along with that, recently we have the update in the check. Now we moved from check truncation system to continuous clearing of check, right? Check truncation system to continuous clearing of check. तो वो भी cover करना है आपको. Inflation causes. Maybe you will feel like, sir, you told all the topics of banking. No. There are multiple important topics in the banking still, like financial market, money market, capital market. वो topics हैं आपके पास. Basel norms है, prompt corrective actions है. I have not given you the complete list. These are the actual major important topic. If you want to be confident during the interview that, sir, I am good in the banking awareness, at least in the operational banking awareness, the operational part of banking, then you have to cover these topics. All the topic you will be able to find within the batch. Cover it properly, then go for the live class to understand the application of these topics and go for your interview confidently after attending the 2 mock interview. So start attending the classes, start preparing well. All the best from my side for the interview. I wish all of you will clear this interview, those who are watching the video. Take care. Jai Hind.